Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And if you're a technical drawing student, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And it is very important that you practice this subject so that you can master it and you'll be able to solve any problem that comes your way when it comes to technical drawing. Now, this diagram that we have been on the screen is an electric lamp, and we want to replicate this diagram, want to construct it. Okay, now let me talk about dimensions of this diagram or this object. So the radius from here to here, the radius of this arc is 37 millimeters, and distance from here to here, is 37 millimeters. The radius of this arc is 75 millimeters. The radius of this arc here is 9 millimeters, and center distance from here to here is 53 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 6 millimeters. From here to here is 3 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 15 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 21 millimeters, and from here to here, that is distance from here to here, is 25 millimeters. We are going to make use of all these dimensions for us to replicate this particular diagram. Let's go. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to draw a vertical center line, as I'm going to do it here. So draw a vertical center line like this. Okay, now then we draw a horizontal center line like this. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is that we take a measurement of 53 millimeters from here, so 53 millimeters up here, and then you draw the horizontal center line. Alright, so having done that, the next thing that we are going to do is that I will draw this arc. So I'm going to draw this arc here, so whose radius is 37 millimeters. I will draw this arc with 37 millimeters. So I take 37 millimeters on my ruler with my compass, 37 millimeters. Okay, so I put it here at the center here, and I will draw an arc like this. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is that I want to draw this arc now. I want to draw this arc, but the distance from here to here is 37 millimeters. So I'll first of all divide 37 by 2. That is 18.5 millimeters. So I will take that 18.5 with my compass. So I will take that 18.5 millimeters with my compass. So I'm doing it here, okay, on my ruler. So I put at this point here. Then I will make an arc here. Then make an arc here. Okay. So with what I've done here, so I will need to draw this line. So join this together a bit. Okay. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line from here up and coming down here, and here also I will do the same thing. So take it up and it comes down here. Okay, so I will still need to so draw this a bit to touch the vertical line, so it's okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take a measurement of 9 millimeters in here. So 9 millimeters in here. Then I will also take 9 millimeters. So 9 millimeters up here. 9 millimeters here, and here also I will come here and take 9 millimeters again on this side to form a square. That's what I want to do. I want to form a square here. So here I will draw a horizontal line. So draw a horizontal line from here to here. Then here I will draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line here, and here also I will draw a vertical line. So I'll form the squares. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll put the pinpoint on my compass here. Then I will extend my compass to this point. That is that 9 millimeters that I've done here, this time from. So I'll put it at the center here, at this point here. Then extend it here so that I can draw the arc. So the arc is this. Okay, so this is the arc. Okay, so I will also put it here to do the same thing. So this is it. Alright, so that's the arc. I believe you can see what I have done now. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to draw this arc here that connect this straight line and this arc together. This straight line and this arc, I want to connect them together. So the radius of this arc is 75 millimeters and the radius of this arc is 9 millimeters. So I need to do a simple calculation. Don't forget that the radius of this arc is 37 millimeters. So I'm going to write the calculation here. So I will, first of all, I have RA. So RA is equal to 37 plus 75, and this will give me 112 millimeters. Then for this one I have RB, so that is equal to 9 plus 75, and this will give me 84 millimeters. Okay, so now what I've done now, so I will take a measurement of 112 millimeters, 112 millimeters on my ruler with my compass. So you just need to take it easy, don't have to rush. So this is 112 millimeters. So I put at the center here and I make an arc. So here like this. Okay, so the same radius I will turn to this side. So make an arc here like this. Now, so the next thing is I will now take 84 millimeters. 84 millimeters. So this is 84. So with this 84, I will put it at the center here. At this center here. So then I will make an arc here. So then I will put it at this point here. At the center here, then make an arc here. Alright, so this is center of arcs P, and this is center of arcs Q. So it may be arcs to indicate or to show the center of arcs. Now we take 75 millimeters as the radius of the arc that connect the straight line and this big arc together. So 75 millimeters with a compass. Okay, so I put at the center here, and this is it. So then I will draw an arc like this. So this is it. Then the same 75, put at the center here. So you don't have to rush this, so just take your time to do the work. So then okay, so draw an arc like this. Alright, so that's it. So we have drawn it. Just need to make this thick a bit. Okay. So then I'll make this a thick line, this straight line. So make it a thick line. All right, so with what we have done here, so we have done it to this level. So the next thing is to draw this from here to here. So and distance from here to here is okay, so distance from here to here is 25 millimeters. So 25 by 2 will give me 12.5. So I will take 12.5 millimeters on my ruler. So it's better I use my compass to do that. So 12.5 millimeters. So this is not a work that you can rush. So 12.5 millimeters. So put it at this point here, at this center here. Then you make an arc here. Then you make an arc here. Okay. So I'm going to draw. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this with my red pen first. Then I will also draw a vertical line here. Alright, so and the height of that, as we see in the diagram, is 6 millimeters. So I take a measurement of 6 millimeters. So this is 6 millimeters, and I will draw a horizontal line. So I'll draw a horizontal line, so I can make that a thick line at once. So this is it, like this. Okay, then I now make this a thick line. So I make this a thick line. I'll also make this a thick line from here to here. Alright, so the next thing that we have here is this. So distance from here to here is 3 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeters up. So this is 3 millimeters. And I will draw a horizontal line. Horizontal line with a thin continuous line. So I'm using my red pen for that. Okay. So then, as we have here, that this distance from here to here is 21 millimeters. So 21 by 2, that will give us 10.5 millimeters. So I will take 10.5, so using my compass, so 10.5 millimeters, 10.5 millimeters. So this is 10.5, so I'll put it here and make an arc here. Then I will also make an arc here, like this. Okay, then distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. So I will come up here and take 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters. So I will come here and I will draw a horizontal line. So here I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so and then so with this 10.5 that we have taken, I will draw a vertical line here, the thin continuous line, and here also I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, as we have here that this is joined, this point is joined to this point like this, and the line is bent. So I will do the same thing. So with my, so I'll just join it at once with a thick line. So using my black pen, so I'll do the same thing here. So with a thick line, so using my black pen here. Okay, then here I'll make this line, so make it with a thick line. Okay, and here also I'll make this with a thick line like this, and then so this will be drawn with a thick line. Okay, and this will also be drawn with a thick line. All right. Okay, as you can see here, this is the diagram. So as we are given here, we have produced it as we are given. So all you need to do is to practice it. So once you practice it, you definitely get it. So the calculation that I did here is very, very important for you to locate the centers of the arcs. So thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.